Venture into a world where history whispers around every corner and modernity pulsates through its streets. Welcome to Istanbul, the crossroads of civilizations. This mesmerizing city, poised majestically between Europe and Asia, weaves a rich tapestry of cultures, eras, and tales, offering a journey that captivates the soul and ignites the imagination. As you traverse its ancient cobblestones, you are walking the same paths that sultans, traders, and warriors have tread for millennia. The grandeur of the Hagia Sophia stands as a testament to Istanbul's layered history, with its domes and minarets reaching for the heavens, a melody that has guided the city's heartbeat for centuries. The city's lifeblood, the Bosphorus, offers breathtaking vistas at every turn, especially as the golden hues of sunset dance on its waters. As night falls, Istanbul transforms yet again, with its vibrant nightlife coming alive. Istanbul is not merely a destination. It's a living, breathing narrative, one that entwines the echoes of the past with the dynamism of the present. It's a city that must be felt, experienced, and cherished, inviting all who wander its storied streets to become a part of its ongoing tale. Discover the Turkey's hidden gems through our daily videos. Subscribe to walk together and join the adventure.